My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for coming to check us out. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed to Seasoned Beauties, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. Claim your leaf on this tree. There's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. And while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit that notifications bell so that you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Now, this video on today, I know it's overdue, but I promise you the end result will make up for it. This is our Yes Oh Yes bag package. It's already opened. Don't know why. I never really do that. I always wait till I'm with you to open it and see, but for some reason I happened to open it, and it was a good thing that I did. But we'll jump back into that in just a moment. So what I would like to do is tell you what I received in my July Yes Oh Yes bag, even though I didn't get it until the first couple days of August. So we're going to jump right in and show you. Our theme for this month is Reach for the Stars. Yes. Oh, yes. Reach for the stars, okay? Don't let nobody block your way. Go ahead and do what you need to do. So, the first item that we received is by the company Bodyography. Okay? And that is... oh my God, that is a beautiful, beautiful shade. This is the long wearing eye pencil. The shade that I have is a deep violet. This is the shade right here. But you know, we're gonna go ahead and open it up and swatch it. How about that? That right there is gorgeous. So loving that. Then the next item that we received is by the company Sormy. Now, we've gotten brushes from them before. This, I believe this is the first time that I may have gotten a lip product from them. This one is, it looks like an orangish red lipstick. Y'all forgive me for not opening this. You know, I have a lot along these shades, and don't be surprised, it may even end up in a giveaway because I do have so many shades close, if not I have a lot of shades that are right around this. I have a lot of liquid lipsticks that are right around this shade, so we'll see. Okay, who knows, we may come back and just open it. Then we also have a 4HD sleek eyeliner, and this is by the company Double Dare. Check out this pen. How about that? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open it. Look at that. Look at the tip. Now that will truly draw you a fine line. That is amazing. Now I'm trying, y'all. So that is the next item. Then we have a Timeless Beauty Bar Hydrating and Refreshing Sheet Mask, and it's called Up in the Clouds. It says infused with hyaluronic acid to refresh, plump, and hydrate the skin. And it gives us a little bonus tip which says For an extra cooling experience, place package in refrigerator for a few moments prior to use. Okay. The last item we have is the Annette 69 by Beauty Creations eyeshadow palette. This is the outer packaging. Look at those shades. Okay, and of course it is cruelty free. And the shelf life on this one is 24 months after opening. All right, you ready? Look at those blues. Look at all of that glitter. Look at that. The shimmers across the top. Well, the shades are called 6'9", Baddie, Dreamer, Leo, Alien Girl, De Niro, Muffin, Unstoppable, Ruiz, Boss, Fire, 420, 951, Believe, and Hustle. Now, it does even come with a mirror. I'm trying not to really blind you, but this mirror is popping. Okay, so I'll do it that way so you can see the shape of the mirror by looking at the shadows themselves. Look at that. Okay. And my palette is still intact. Look at that. These are the items that we received in our July Yes, oh yes. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Yes, oh yes, it is a monthly subscription service for $14.99 per month plus shipping. Usually comes out to be about $18 and change. You receive anywhere from 4 to 7 products. Okay, I know that's a big jump, but it depends on the product. 89% off. Okay, what we would have paid for retail. This was our monthly savings when we received the Reach for the Stars themed July package. Okay, now if you would like to try Yes, oh yes, for yourself, there's a link below, of course, for all of my subbies so that you can receive a discount on your first order. Now, the reason that it took so long is because the package that I received earlier was the same one from last month. So what does that mean for you? You know it's going to end up being a giveaway. So in that, you will receive a mascara, an eyeliner, a bronzer, and this beautiful palette right here. I believe it was an eyeliner in there too. So even if I can't find that eyeliner, you know I've got quite a few. There will be an eyeliner in this giveaway. And these are the shades from this palette that you will be receiving. Now, listen out for the information regarding this giveaway. You will be receiving it in the next couple of days. We're trying to decide how we want to work this particular giveaway. So, I do thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I do hope that all of my subscribers will enter this giveaway. Be on the lookout for this upcoming giveaway. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.